Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be teaching how we can make more of these flowers instead of just having one, so that you know how to make more. But for now, I think I'm going to get rid of this pink flower model. I'm sure you guys have decided if you want to use a real model or just a decal. So I'm going to get rid of the model and we're just going to have the flowers. So we're going to select this and we have everything ready, right? We're going to duplicate this and we are going to put right here or wherever you want to hide this second one. And then I'm going to put him a little bit, I'm going to make him smaller because I just feel like this one should be smaller, alright? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it Blue Flower. So now we're going to have a blue flower, right? And then let me just search for a blue flower. Guys, so I've gotten my decal. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch the first video. But here we have the blue flower. So I'm just going to paste this into here. And now we have a blue flower. So we have a pink one and we have a blue flower. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a badge. If you don't know how to do that, I explained it in the first video. So I think make the badge of the new flower. Make a new flower badge. And we're going to be making 2 flowers just to... we're just going to be making 2 flowers. I'm going to make myself 2 flowers. So for this, I'm going to get my badge. Now we have our badge and we just need to paste this in here. Just I pasted it twice. We just need to paste this, double click and then paste. That's all. Alright? So now when you press play, once you walk over, you should get the badge. So now we're just gonna make another flower. I'm gonna make myself a yellow flower. So we're gonna have a big yellow flower. So now that we have our big flower, the reason why I'm making them different sizes is to show and give ideas on how you can make them. You can make them bigger or smaller sizes for the players to find them harder and easier. Like for example, in my Find the Game, which will be linked in the description, you can get them of all different sizes. So this is also good because you can make like creative things, and yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into pink flower and rename it to yellow flower. Alright guys? And then we're gonna do the same thing we did for blue flower. Get the decal and get the badge. So do this as many times as you want for as many things as you want. You can make as many find the things as you want. This. So now we copied everything and we have these 3. Check if everything works by walking over them and seeing if you get the badge. If you do not know how to make the badge and the first one doesn't explain it clearly enough, then maybe you should search that up on a different source, or if you'd like, I can make a tutorial on how to make a badge. But we've done these 3. So yeah, we've had these 3. And I'm pretty sure somewhere in the settings you can disable this shadow if you don't want it. But I'm going to keep it there because I like it, kind of. So, now that we have this, we just need to edit the flower next, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the index frame, and we're going to make it visible. And then for here, for pink flower, we're just going to duplicate this, rename it to blue flower, okay? The ID, change it to the ID of the flower, as I said. So Yeah. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna paste it into here. For blue flower. Change this if you like the image to, if you like also, you could just go here and then go to the decal and then Control C and then go into here and then Control, and then go to the image of this and then Control V. And now we have a blue flower. And if you like, you can even change the background color. Like I have. Because if you haven't found it, it's just going to stay as that. But if you have found it, it's going to be green. For me. I'm just going to keep the label like that. And boom. I think that everything is good. So let's just test with these 2 flowers. Somewhere near spawn. Okay. And pink flower. So it works. We just need to go into blue flower. Go into the local script. And we're to hint somewhere near spawn. Very small on a tree. So what we could do is we could get a tree from the toolbox or anything. But I'm going to make myself my own tree. Is I'm just gonna get this guy, this little guy, and put him like probably right there. Or you could rotate it and make it more realistic, and then make it look like he's in the tree, like that. Or you could do this and then make it look like he's in the tree as well. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. This is very big. I'm just gonna keep it like that. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to do the same thing we did with the blue flower for the yellow flower, as we did. So, yep, yellow flower. And then, we are just going to paste this in here. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys something. So for this, you see what's a scale type stretch? We're gonna make this fit. Because if it's fit, then it will look the size it's meant to be. So yeah, that's good. That's also good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the background color. And then this is all we need to do. Change the ID here, I forgot about that. I'm just going to go into here, take it, and then go into the ID, the value, and then paste it in here. You might, if you want to do it faster, just go into the script that you put the ID for the yellow flower in, and then you can copy that and then paste it into here. And then now what we need to do is we need to go into the local script inside of yellow flower, and I'm going to put far but big, you have to run to him. By the way, I had some things that people were not knowing how to I had some comments that people do not know how to do this and they're failing. So if you need the script, just pause it right here. You'll have it right here. So here it is, and yeah. So now let's test it. Let's close out the index frame. And now we have everything. This is not even, it's fine. We have all of them. Alright, I collected all of them. Yellow flower, far but big, you have to run to him. very small on a tree, somewhere near spawn. So we have all of these, and you should be able to collect them, and yes, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.